It's time
to fire this thing up.
Hit it. So Dale, all of this apparatus right here, this is my current steering system on my 32-foot CV, all right? It has twin Yamaha 300s on it with the Helm Master, but these are all the hydraulic lines, the pumps, everything, correct?
Very consistent with what everybody's been used to over the years for a traditional outboard rigging system.
Okay, now guys, remember with Helm Master, the engines aren't tied together, okay? They're self-articulating where they can go in any direction. So literally you can crab sideways, when dock, I mean, it's absolutely amazing. But what do you have on your side of the table?
Well, what I have right here is the brand new fully electric steering system that will be introduced with our brand new offshore motor, Yamaha's XTO Offshore.
Okay, and this is 425 horsepower.
5.6 liter.
It is a large displacement motor built for high RPM. And good deal you made it. Hi, I'm John Graviscus. This is Dale Barnes. Dale is the national marketing manager for Yamaha. We've known each other for what, like 20 years?
It's been a while.
It's been a while, and we're kind of getting to the age we don't want to say that anymore. But what we're going to be doing today, Dale, is we're going to be launching this new 425 to the world, okay? But let's get a little history lesson first. In 2000, a large center console boat with outboard power, 26 to 30 foot boat, was considered a big boat back in 2000 with outboard.
Yeah, correct. And back then, I'll tell you, that was a regal ride. Being able to have a 26 footer, a 32 footer, you were in front of the fleet.
Okay, in 2007, that number moved up to what?
When we brought the revolutionary Yamaha V8 350 to the table, and that actually allowed outboard power to move into boats in excess of 36 foot in length.
Okay, now we're here at 2018, 2019. What are we looking at today?
You know, amazingly today, a 36 footer seems like a smaller midstream vessel. You're now looking at outboard powered boats that are in excess of 45, even sometimes larger than 50 foot in length.
Okay, and we're actually going to be on the water in some of these boats today with the brand new engine. But man, are we going to be showing you some just unbelievable ideas that Yamaha has had. For instance, okay, they've made it possible to actually replace the oil, do oil changes without having to haul the boat. So you can do it if it's on a boat lift, you can do the oil change if it's in the slip. We're going to be looking at how you've changed the exhaust, how you've changed the propeller, to where you can get unbelievable ability to kind of back down on a fish. You never really had that before in the larger center consoles, okay? It was kind of a little bit, weak there. They've totally addressed that. We're gonna look at how it's lubed differently, how it's cooled by water differently. And what's really cool, Dale, is you've given boat owners the ability in a large center console, because of the technology, to feel like they're in a smaller one and make it super simple for operating. But first, where we need to start is we have to acknowledge all the fabulous companies in the marine industry, like Yamaha, who make this show possible.